All right, do a little video. So some of the studs I replaced. All right, I butted some of them right up against the existing because I don't want to compromise the structure. Whereas this wall was the worst wall out of the 3 walls, because you have a garage door, so there's only 3 walls. So completely pulled, replaced, right? So no old, and then you get an old one. Yeah, because of the exterior wall, I didn't want to compromise the exterior wall any more than I already had. So all this, this. You have quite a few good ones from the old ones, and then boom. And I'm going to be putting in this insulation this week. Normal just bats of insulation. So then you get into this corner, and then, you know, so good one, new one, good one, new one, right alongside, new one, and then the rest are all good from the previous, from the original framing. Everything is replaced in the middle. You get the sporadic ones from the old framing, but primarily I redid all that. So next is insulation, and I'm gonna redo all this electrical over here. So recess the panel in there, recess the switches, the outlets. I'm gonna run new line all through here. There'll be an outlet somewhere in this neighborhood, and then an outlet somewhere near that one. That's where the old one was attached, so I'll probably put it on this side, I think. We'll see how it goes, but the Mr. Cole unit is gonna go in here or in there somewhere. That's this guy. It's a ductless, all right? So all you get is this on the wall, and and then, you know, this unit goes outside on the ground. So my buddy Daniel's gonna come and install that, and so I'll help him do the framing on that and get going. And then after we do the Mr. Cool, then I get to drywall this whole thing, drywall it all. And then after that, I'm gonna move all of this stuff out, and then I'm gonna take care of these cracks in the floor. You know, dig them out a little bit, get a little V shape going to them, and then fill it with concrete filler. There's a few different products out there. I like this. It's almost like a similar to what was used out here, but it comes in a roll. It comes in a roll, and you use a torch and you melt it into the crack. It holds really well. You can see some of the cracking right there. Gets a little bit extensive in some spots. And go from there, man. I'm not gonna put a ceiling. So some of this lighting he says he's gonna replace, but I'm just gonna run the same electrical to the middle outlet right there. Something similar. Obviously I might change where it goes up out of the wall. Not might, I will. Yeah. So I'm hoping this week I'll wrap up the drywall, insulation and drywall, and then next week get the floor done. So get the crack work fixed, and then lay down some epoxy on the floor. That is all.